I rise here to speak on behalf of the people that have been marginalized, the people that have been subjugated, the people that have suffered repression because of one reason. They still evil. I am an Igbo man.
Anioma.
I am not from Ishakiri. I am not from Unor. Therefore, I am an Igbo man. In June 1966, during the Civil War, the Nigerian soldiers marched into Asaba. They demanded our people, our women dressed in our traditional agriculture, came out waving Nigerian flags, singing "One Nigeria." 700 of my people were all down. What was their crime? Because they are Igbos. Not because they are Hausas, not because they are security, not because they are Yorubas, but because they are Igbos. In May 1968, my people again in Ishaku, and the entire town was wiped out. Their king was buried alive. Women were killed, children were slaughtered, banks were burned, houses were raised down. What was their crime? Because they speak Igbo. Because they are Igbos. This is a people that have suffered tremendously. These are people that are supposed to receive restitution and reparation for irreparable damage, irreparable injury done to us. Because we are Igbos. Today, just like we have done in the past 60 years, we are calling that they let us go. They let us take our destiny
to join our brothers and sisters.
The greatest injustice is to treat an Igbo as Igbo and Igbo as unequal. We have been treated as unequal entities. Therefore, we want to go. For the purposes of equity, we have states that are 6, geographical regions that are 6, we have 1 that are 7. The Southeast remains the only geographical region that is 5. Please, don't take this serious. Can they let us join our brothers? We are not Hausa, we are not Ishakiri, we are not Yoruba, we are Igbo. Simply, right here, revenge kings. They have come here to support the creation of Anioma state. We have mineral resources, we have intellectuals, we have the population, we have the land, and we have the capital, and our proximity to our brothers across the Niger makes our state a very vital state. Can they let us go? for empathy. We are asking for justice. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Power! Power! Power!
Supported by an array of traditional rulers here from Anioma, Delta State, Delta North Senatorial District. They are currently led by His Royal Majesty Charles Chukwuike Anyasi III, JP, the OB of Idumuje, Unor.
Most distinguished chairman and other members of the our people of the Southeast, many people from Anioma, the oracle that just spoken has said more, and I was something I would. The question as to whether we are Anioma State is a very long thing. But people have to say, don't take more before I get we really want to decide that to be that a solving tech will at some point address the body. I know how people, I know how nationality has been solving for us.
Don't want me. I'm offering this thing for the event. Look at this man. You know who brought me?
So,
I'm doing this for
the first Anioma State began since 1954 with a petition to the West Niger province to be carried out from the Mori and Benin continents. Up to now, we had about 9 representations, ending with the last one in 2024, which is the representative of the 2014 Constitutional Conference for the Commission for Anioma State. And so we're here to strike this issue, requesting that we give
Order, please. Order, please.
we have what it takes to make all the state. We have everything that we can use to start. Logically speaking, Anioma has an existing 9 local government areas, mainly Anioma North, Anioma South, Eka East, Eka North East, Eka North South, Eka East, Eka West, Oshile North, and Oshile South, across the Ukwuani. We have 2 road links. So you cannot say you cannot access Anioma, you can effectively access Anioma. We are bounded by a land area of 6,300 square kilometers. That's what we want to have a state. And we are bounded by a very wonderful state, and we also bounded by rivers, Igbo, and forward areas of the Isombo, Ukwuani, and East. We have a belt of swamp, mangrove, and dense tropical forest with sparkling and that we can be called a food basket. We have sufficient land to work creation of our feed, not just ourselves in Nigeria. We have a rich belt of mineral resources for which we can feed ourselves and also feed others. Architecturally, if you look at Anioma, well, Anioma, a lot of us is called Anioma because of the rich secondary and rich soil. If we exploit this, that will take Angola, we want to take what we can do, what we call the Anioma block, our Anioma building. It is wasted to organize. We have notable names in the mining industry, and this of them are in our place. Talk of manpower, Anioma is blessed with a diverse profession that bring professionals, and all of us know that those who are professionals and are distinguished, they're not just below the line, they're not ideal. Our population is by 2006 about 1,200,000 people, and that is sufficient to make a state. If you apply the 2006 growth and then multiply it by now we want to be, and culture is rich. Like my son I just told, we are Igbo speaking Igbo. I thought we are Igbo speaking Igbo, predominantly speaking Igbo speaking Igbo. And so if we are able to organize Igbo, will not have a problem. Do you hear me? If we join in alliance Igbo, we will not have a problem. Because we are one. And so that I want to do it more. And I know that anybody who speaks in mind, you know, in the ears of other people, you know, they are one. Is that not so? And so we are grateful to the 10th Senate for providing this leverage for us to shout out from the needy countries from where we traveled in the past. Now it's a God will. Now we are platform to seek to be recognized as a state. And that state is Anioma. It is not for us to dictate to you how you want to work out the details of what we make Anioma state. What we are here to say is that we desire to be given our state. Whichever way the Senate and others who are responsible for giving rights to ensure that we have a state will be handled differently. Let me say that we want to thank our son, Senator Ned who initiated the move. We're here proud of him because we're ready for the test and we hope that at the end of the day, we will dance. We want to appreciate the people of the Southeast who have welcomed us here. Whichever way this is going to work out for us to partner and to go together and not to are grateful. I want to thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, His Royal Majesty.
So may I have a pleasure of presenting to you.
Thank you.